King got the hammer in the king got the hammer got the hammer in the ring king got the hammer I ain't got the change put it in my punches to pop.
Hey sexy Lexi babes, and welcome back to another video. If you are interested in learning how to make a beautiful green glitter lip gloss, then keep on watching. And also tell me if you like the new intro. Let me know in the comments. So we're going to start by adding our 5.5 ounce TKB gloss base to our plastic bowl. Again, I'm using a 5.5 ounce gloss base packet. I normally use 6 ounce, but I think TKB was sold out, so I had to go with the 5.5. Go ahead and grab my coconut oil, and I'm going to go ahead and pour 3 tablespoons of this coconut oil into my gloss base. So make sure you start off mixing it slowly, because if you don't, you could lead to having a big mess. So just start off slow, and then as soon as you feel that oil starting to get into that base, then you can go ahead and mix faster. So here I would normally add 3 more tablespoons of coconut oil, because I would have had 6 ounces of gloss base, but I only have 5.5 ounces. So I'm just going to do 2 more tablespoons of the coconut oil, because I don't want it to be too liquidy. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my polyisobutene, which gives the gloss extra shine, and you can find this at TKB Trading. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some preservatives, which will help the gloss last longer. And this one in particular is good for oil-based products, so make sure you get the cap too. I'll make sure I leave it in the description below. And you don't want to add too much, because it can leave your lips stinging, so only add a little bit. Now I'm going to add my guava flavoring oil from Get Suckered. It smells really, really good, and I love this scent. Now, since this gloss is St. Patrick's themed, you know we got to add the green glitter. So we're going to add our green glitter that is micro fine. And of course, we got it from TKB because they have everything that you could possibly need. And I'm going to go ahead and add that to the gloss base. So when I make my glitter glosses, I really like to add a lot of glitter because I really love the way that it makes the gloss look. So I'm going to add the rest of this glitter that's in this little sample size. And yeah. Now I'm going to take my 20 milliliter syringe and start to fill these tubes. Now, when you're filling your wand tubes, remember to leave some space at the top of the tube because you're going to have to add the cap and the wand stick, which will make the gloss rise. And you don't want to overfill it because you won't be able to close it. fill all of my tubes. This is how beautiful the glosses look. Look at this beautiful emerald green gloss. Like, I love it so much. So here I just wanted to show you what I meant when I was talking about earlier about how your gloss rises once you add the cap and the wand stick. So just pay close attention to how the gloss will rise once I place that wand stick into the tube. So now that I added the tops to all of my wand and squeeze tubes, it's time to give my glosses a gloss bath. And a gloss bath just contains soap and water, and as you can see, I just have it in a plastic container so that you don't have to spend too much money. And yep, just give them a good gloss bath to prevent your tubes from being sticky. And after I add my labels, which is the final step, here is how beautiful my glosses turn out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Happy early St. Patrick's Day. And I love you guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and visit my website at www.sexylexiinc.com.